Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Orchids are a wildly popular flowering plant, belonging to the Orchidaceae family. Most chlorinated tap water can be used as long as the chlorine isn't excessive. However, watering orchids with collected rain or distilled water from the store is best.
Take our lead.
Therefore, to answer Casey's question, do not use regular, Miracle-Gro fertilizer for your orchids, because the package likely does not have an instruction specifically for orchids. Most orchids are native to nutrient-poor environments, e.g. epiphytes living in trees, and therefore suffer when given strong fertilizer. 29 March 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
To master watering orchids, it is essential to water from above with fresh, pure water. For orchids with water storage, pseudobulbs, water when the potting mix is approaching dry. Otherwise, for orchids without water storage, without pseudobulbs, keep the potting mix barely damp.
Take our lead.
On a basic level, most orchids need the following to survive. A well-draining growing medium. At least 6 hours of indirect sunlight, bright shade, a day. Moist, but not waterlogged, soil. Once a month fertilizer feedings, quarter strength. A humid environment. Pruning, as needed.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.